So you know what you gotta do, drop another one, get up, grab a girl. Whatever makes you feel nice.